How to delete messages in Google Chat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete messages on Google Chat. To delete messages on Google Chat, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, type in mail.google.com. Once I've entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Gmail. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the left sidebar, you will be able to see chat icon. Click on the chat icon and this will open up the chat section here. Once you open it, under direct messages, here find the conversation from where you would like to delete the message. Once you find it, click on it to open the chat page. Now in this page, find the message that you would like to delete. Here hover your cursor over the message you would like to delete. Once you hover your cursor over it, some options or icons will pop up. Here you need to click on three dots that says More Actions. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you need to scroll down and then click on this delete option. Once doing that, now you need to click on this delete to confirm it. After deleting the message, it will show message deleted by its author. You will be able to delete the message, but it will also notify the person that you have deleted the message. Also, you will be able to delete your message only. You will not be able to delete the message sent by the other person. If you want to delete those messages, you would need to delete the entire history. For that, under direct messages, find the conversation you would like to delete, then click on the three dots at the right side of it. From the menu, click on delete conversation and then click on delete to confirm. This will delete the entire conversation from your side, but it will still remain in the participant side. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete messages in Google Chat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.